We're on a roof here in Winchester, Tennessee. We had recent windstorms. You can see this roof got a lot of wind damage. It's an old 3-tab asphalt shingle roof. You can see multiple faces, have broken tabs, missing tabs, some creased tabs. This is an old roof. It was at the end of its life anyways, but they have enough damage that there's a good chance they could get insurance to cover a replacement here. A couple things of note: someone did some plumbing vent upgrades. They installed them wrong, put them right on top of the shingles instead of re-roofing them. The shingles should go over the top of the vents and not over the sides, otherwise water just goes right inside. So those need to be fixed. They're probably leaking. If you need a roof replacement, or you need someone to be an advocate for you with your insurance company, RoofMD is great at that. We specialize in that. We use Xactimate to write the estimates, same software that your insurance company will use. So we're speaking the same language as them, using the same pricing. We just help the process move a lot smoother.